Many of us don't know how glasses were made in the past, before they became a fast industrial product. In the 1960s, glasses were not made by machines alone, but by skilled craftsmen, shaping and polishing glass with precision, creating lenses specially made for each individual eye. So how were glasses made before modern factories? In this short video, you'll find the answer. Follow along. The optician or the oculist can check your vision with a variety of lenses after examining the interior of your eye. But it's skilled craftsmen who produce the spectacles he prescribes, starting with a straightforward, good quality glass. You rough shape the glass that will be pressed and ground into precision lenses. Half of Britain's population wear glasses. What is staggering is the amount of individual skill there is that goes into the production of such conveyor belt commodities. And that's where the real precision skill of the spectacle making industry comes in. Here's one basic industry where automation seems a long way off. Yet you can get the precise spectacles you need tailor-made in a matter of hours, even if you plump for handmade colorful frames which a fret worker can cut. This is surprisingly the one big industry that brings a bit of personal craftsmanship into almost every household in the country, assembling frames by hand, millions and millions. It's hard to believe in this age of standardization and testing is crucial. The result of all this skill, a satisfied customer.